Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for joining us. Today we got some new bags from Rocky Mountain. These are the Trek bags, available in two sizes. There's a 40-liter, which is the perfect travel bag, carry-on bag. And then you have the 93-liter option, which is kind of dual purpose. It's a great travel bag, also makes for a great mid-size gear bag. I'm just gonna tell you about both these, show you all the pockets, and I also wanna give you a good size comparison of what 40 liters compared to 93 looks like when they are next to each other. But let's talk about them. So the 40 liter, this is the one that I just used on a trip. It was a 3-day trip, and this thing was perfect as my carry-on bag. It fit all my clothes, extra shoes, everything that I needed for 3 days just fine. But on the outside here, you've got zipper pocket up here at the top, extra zipper pocket right here as well. And then you've got this large compartment down here at the bottom. This is where I actually kept my toiletries bag. It was perfect for that. Both these bags are made from a nice heavy duty fabric. They have YKK zippers. Up here on the top, you've got this clear pocket right here. Great for an ID card. If you're traveling, again, if you do lose your bag, you wanna have some way for someone to contact you. And then you've got your telescoping handle here in the back and nice high quality roller wheels here, roller wheels. So again, 40 liters, perfect travel bag, great for carry-on. On the inside, you do have a big mesh lid or compartment on the inside of the lid, and then you have some compression straps inside there as well. So if you have items that you don't want possibly bouncing around or moving while you're traveling, they make it very easy to tie that down. Next, we have the 93. Again, kind of dual purpose here. Great as a travel bag or a mid-size gear bag. And if you do want a gear bag that is larger than this, check out the full-size Rocky Mountain roller gear bag. That thing is monstrous, and that thing will fit a ton of gear inside here. But let's talk about this one. As I said, 93 liters, same construction as the 40-liter bag. But here in the front, you've got your fleece-lined pocket. If you're traveling, great for sunglasses, things you don't want getting scratched. If you're using it as a gear bag, great for your goggles, things like that. What I do like on this one, again, telescoping handle that is hidden in this zipper compartment here. And what's nice about this bag, and what makes it great for a travel bag, is that it stands up vertically, no problem. And even when you have this thing loaded up, it's still gonna stand up just fine. Again, same high quality roller wheels that you have here on the bottom. Then you have these plastic pieces here just to protect the bottom of the bag. On the side, on each side, you have these large compartments, huge zippered pockets there. And then on the inside, you do have some organization, so you got some slots for some pens, things like that, little zipper pocket there. Again, you're gonna have one of these on each side, and then for your main compartment, open that up. You can have one large storage compartment right there in the center. So it's very deep, you get a lot of gear inside here. One aspect about this bag that I also like is here in the front, so you've got these two side panels, both of the same thing. But when I open that, you notice that you have this plastic material here lining the inside of the bag there in the front. There is a divider inside there that you can remove. So if you want the whole inside to be one large compartment, just take that divider out. But what's nice about having this divider with that material, it's perfect for dirty items. So if you're traveling, if you have a pair of shoes that got dirty, if you're at the beach, you got sandy sandals or just wet, dirty clothes that you want to put inside here, keep it separate from everything else, perfect location for that. Or if you're using it as a gear bag, this is a great location. Now, if you're a full-size adult rider, then you're gonna have a really tough time fitting both boots inside here. But for youth boots or for female riders with smaller feet, you can get your boots inside there. That's why I said if you're looking for more storage space and you wanna be able to fit your boots and even a helmet inside your gear bag, no problem, check out the larger Rocky Mountain roller gear bag. But this thing, for both travel and gear, it's awesome. And as I mentioned, these things, awesome price. For the 40-liter bag, you're right around 90 bucks. For the 93, you're 110. These are priced to move, so don't hesitate, get yours today. Click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you want to stay up to date on products like these, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase, we'll see you on the trails.